What are you excited by about the future, Joe?
I mean, it's only up from here. That's the great thing. You got new generations of people coming in. Um, there'll always be work for people like us, which is great. And the ability to teach other people and work with other people, that's one of my passions. I'm willing to teach somebody everything I know, which isn't much, but I'm willing to invest in them because I want to see people do better. And I think there's a lot of opportunity in that area. And I'm excited for that, as well as, some of the technologies that are coming in, you know, uh, I just think there's a lot going on that we get to look forward to. So, yeah.
Yeah, it's so cool. I mean, I again see so much innovation in this space that it's commonly not gotten the most either. Is there any one like specific technology that you're excited by coming soon or in the near future?
Um, I mean, I would say, with RDI's motion amplification, that system is phenomenal. And I think it's just starting to gain ground. And I'm looking forward to that. I mean, I've used it, I've bought one. Their technology is phenomenal. From the, AI perspective, I think that there's a lot that we can learn from it. But I also think, again, if we don't know what the right things to do are, then it's just going to be a waste of money. So we have to be very careful there, making sure that we understand the data and what it is we're trying to do there. But I think getting back to the basics is where we need to be at this point. Although technology's fun and it's sexy and it's always great to talk about, um, I still think we need to get back to the basics. But that's just my opinion.
Yeah, no, I completely agree. There's so much foundational work that we've still got a lot to improve on.